Namaste student. Today we're going to derive area of trapezium using Heron's formula concept. So here we have area of trapezium equals to a plus b by a minus b root over s into s minus a plus b into s minus c into s minus d, where s equals to a minus b plus c plus d by 2. We know the formula that area of trapezium equals to half into sum of parallel side into distance between them. Now, if the question would be given that non-parallel side and the parallel side has been given without any height, then how are we going to find the area of trapezium? So here we're going to use this formula to derive this one. Okay, we'll see this one. So how are we going to proceed? So let's draw here DE parallel to what? BC, such that what? EB equals to DC. That means we'll take this one B. Now see, AB is parallel to DC by trapezium definition, and that means your EB parallel to DC, and by construction what we have done that EB equals to BC. Now if opposite sides are equal and parallel, then that type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. That means this one must be parallel and the value of this one must be equals to C, opposite to BC. Okay, now if you look at DAE, you can see that three side you have. How, sir? If we go this one AE, how are we going to find? As we have taken by construction EB equals to B, then we can find AE. How? AE can be written as AB minus EB. So here we have AE equals to A minus B. So if we go through this triangle DAE, so in triangle DAE, if you see, you can find S. S means semi-perimeter. So this is your one side, that is DA. This is another side, AE and ED. So we'll add here A minus B plus C plus D by 2. This is your S for this triangle. Okay. Now by Heron's formula, we know the formula what? Area of triangle DAE can be written as what? Root over S into S minus A. Here A is this one, AE, and AE value is what? A minus B. So we'll substitute here A minus B, but minus minus become plus. So here you have this one. Next, S minus P. So here your B is what? ED, and ED's value is what? C. And next is S minus C. So C value is what? DA, and DA value D. This one you have. Okay. Now by another formula, area of triangle can be written as what? Half into base. Now if we go through this one, you can see this is your base, and then this can be your height, 90 degree. That means if we take this one AE as your base, that means what? A minus B, this is your base, then height would be what? H equals to what? Same thing we'll write S minus A plus B, S minus C, S minus D. So now H can be written as 2, cross multiply here, 2 by A minus B root over S into S minus A plus B, S minus C, S minus D. Now we know that area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is what? Therefore, area of trapezium can be written as half into base, sum of parallel side, not base, sum of parallel sides into distance between them. So here you can see that this is your sum of parallel side, means AB and DC are your parallel side, and distance between them is what? This is your height, is the distance between these two parallel sides. So we'll replace here. That means can be written as AB. AB is what? A value, plus DC. DC is what? B. So this is your A plus B, and distance between them, H value we have here 2 by A minus B root over S into S minus A plus B, S minus C, and S minus D. Now 2 cancel, and you have the formula A plus B by A minus B root over S minus A plus B, S minus C, S minus D, where S equals to what? A minus B plus C plus D by 2, minus B plus C plus D by 2. Remember, here A is the bigger side and B is the smaller. Okay, this is your formula. Now using this formula, we're going to find the area of trapezium. Okay, so here you can see the problem. Here we have the problem. Now if we go through this problem, what they have given here: a field is in the shape of trapezium where parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. These are parallel sides. Okay, let's assume that AB and DC is your parallel side. So one is your bigger one would be 25 and the smaller one will be 10 meter. Now non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. So take any one of them. We are taking this one BC as your 14 centimeter. This will be your 13 centimeter. Now we have here 4 sides. See, we don't have height, so we cannot apply here half into sum of parallel side into height formula. So we need to use here area of trapezium. This formula we're going to use. Okay, so let us assume that this is your A, bigger one is your A, smaller parallel side would be your B, and C, D. Then we're going to find S, value of S, that means semi perimeter of this whole trapezium. S minus A, actually it's not a semi perimeter here, as you can see that there's a minus symbol. Okay, so S minus B, not S, A minus B plus C plus D by 2. We'll substitute the value, so we are getting 21. Now we'll apply area of trapezium formula. So root over S into S minus A plus B, S minus C, S minus D, and here we have A plus B by A minus B. Substitute the value. We are substituting value. So here we have 21, 6, 7 and 8. Now see, we are not going to multiply again. Last time also we have discussed, we'll break this 21, 3 into 7, 6 will be broken into 2 into 3, 7 will remain 7, 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Now try to get the square part. See, 7 will give you 7, 3 square will give you 3, and 2 2 and another 2 square will give you 2. Now after that you multiply, you will get your 196. So now question will arise, sir, shall I use this formula? Is it compulsory to use this one? No, we have alternative method also. The way we have proved this formula, we can apply that concept and we can find the area of trapezium. Okay, so here we have the concept of that one. We'll see here. So here you have, find the area of trapezium whose parallel sides are 77 centimeter, 60 centimeter, and the other two sides are 25 centimeter and 26 centimeter. So here we need to take DF such that BF equals to DC. Okay, and we'll take here DE perpendicular to AB, and after that we'll see that your BCDF is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, then we can say that DF equals to BC equals to 26 centimeter. Now we have DA, DF. We need to find AF. As we have taken by construction that DF equals to, not DF, BF equals to your DC, that means 60 centimeter. Then we can find AF. How? That is 17 centimeter. That means total 77 minus 60 centimeter. Now we are applying this concept. Area of triangle will take this one. So here we need all sides here. S we're going to find using your semi-perimeter concept. Here we have 34. We'll use Heron formula, substituting the value, and we know that one more formula is there. If we have height, the half into base into height, we'll apply that one. Substituting here, D we are getting. After getting D means the height. We know that area of trapezium is what? Sum of parallel side, that means AB plus DC into height. So here we have height is 24, and your AB is 77, this is 60. So we'll okay, here area of trapezium equals to half into sum of parallel side into distance between them. Now substitute the value, solve it, and we have here the answer. Okay, thank you.